The colors in your eyes are projecting through your spine. Lights behind your hands burn right through with your dance. Sometimes I write to myself, sometimes I feel all the hurt. Sometimes I hear your voice and it sings loudly through my heart. The moonlight in your heart, it is elastic and always starts. Metal in your teeth, it won't come out, it'll never leave. Sometimes I think to myself, sometimes I hear all the birds. Sometimes I sink inside, burns and burns brighter than anyone. Sometimes I think to myself, sometimes I hear all the